everyone, my name is Carolin and today we are going to do an experiment called the floating egg. So the materials you need for this are 2 glasses of water, 1 tablespoon, 2 eggs and salt. Have you ever noticed that it's easier to float in the ocean than in the swimming pool? The reason for this has to do with the difference about the density in the ocean and in the pool water. You know that the ocean has salt and the pool water doesn't have. So the salt is denser than the pool water. But what does it mean? Density is defined as a mass per unit of volume. So we can say that density is the amount of stuff in a given amount of space. Okay, so let's do the experiment. We are going to put 6 tablespoons of salt in 1 glass of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We are going to mix it. The other one won't have salt, okay? And then we are going to put the egg. So you can see that as I said before, we can say that density is the amount of stuff in a given amount of space. So if you were to weigh 1 cubic cm of pool water and 1 cubic cm of ocean water, you will find that the ocean water weighs more. So you can see it here. Let's see if the water that has salt is the ocean water and this one is like a pool water. So you can see that the egg that is in the ocean water that has salts is floating and this one is not floating. After you have seen the floating eggs experiment, I want you to try it with different objects. Can be the eggs, rices, beans, or any other that you would like to try it. And also I want you to find a white paper or a notebook where you are going to write what happened with the eggs, rices, and beans. And we can discuss their reactions.